Hey mate, so I want to show you what I'm doing this time around. It's slightly a little bit different to the last couple of campaigns we've done. And it seems to be working well. So obviously just got the campaigns like we always do. So within those we have uh, we'll have like lookalike, the database, the interest base, and then I've just got retargeting any pixel traffic, Facebook engagement, Instagram engagement. So they're all working quite well. So I've got that for each of the cities. And another thing that I've been doing is with the videos, I'm just going a lot broader. So rather than 5%, I'm going to 1%. So that's just driving a lot of reach. Getting the video running, just mainly not so much to get conversions because it's not really. You can see actually Brisbane is really struggling, but Sydney and Melbourne are working well. But obviously it's A, to get registrations in it, but more so B, to generate top of funnel. So any video views on those videos, I'm just retargeting. So and I've lumped all the retargeting into one this time, rather than splitting it out at at the different cities. Reason being is so you can see it's just going to Australia. So anyone who's obviously not converted in the last 14 days, anyone who's watched video views or like seen that video, but I'm running it to Australia, and the reason why is it's really going to bring CPMs down a lot. So what's the CPM? It's still quite high, but we don't have the volume going through that just yet. So rather than splitting it out, I've got all larger audiences. That's going to just give the campaign a bit more chance to get things going. So that's what I've just slightly mixed it up a little bit. Hoping we keep going with this, but I'm not going to touch much of it. I've just been optimizing a little bit this morning. But I'm going to leave it running basically with that strategy that's running now over the weekend, and then I'll check back in Monday morning. Hopefully it is going good. Thanks, mate.